Hi, my Kuwaiti kids. Today I will make a review on some letters in the alphabets. But before I will go to our lesson today, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel to send you new videos. But before I will go to our lesson today, I would like to say I would like to grade Kuwaiti people by its famous grading, which is Hayakumullah Kuwait. Let's go to our lesson today. In this video, we have some items I would like to learn with me. Here, I would like to trace you how to write letters. Last video, we learned the alphabets and we learned how to write it. Today, I give you a brief about some letters and some words related to this letter. Here is what is this the letter called. Here is capital A and small a. How can I write capital A? I write capital A as it is. This is called capital A and small a. A for what? A for apple. A for what? A for apple. A for what? A for apple. So here we have capital A and small A for apple. Capital A and small A for apple. There is capital B and small b. There is capital B and small b. How I write capital B? I write capital B as it is. Here is capital B and small b. B for bear. B for what? B for bear. B for what? And B for bear. A for capital A and small a. Capital A and small a. A for what? A for apple. Capital B and small b. B for bear. Capital C and small c. C for what? C for cat. I would like to repeat with me again, okay? I would like to, today we have here 3 letters. Let's repeat it together. Here is capital A and small a. Capital A and small a. Capital B and small b. Capital C and small c. Capital A and small a. A for apple. Capital B and small b. B for bear, and capital C and small c. C for cat. I think now we learn how to write these letters. Let's go to another item about these letters. So here we have also capital A. I would like to learn how to write it. Here is capital A and small a. Capital A and small a. A for what? A for apple. Capital A and small a for apple. So here in this exercise, we circle the capital A. Where is the capital A here? Here is capital A. Here is capital A as it is. I'm listening to saying this is capital A and this is capital A. So here 4, here is capital A. So we have here 4 A capitals. Capital A, capital A, and capital A, and capital A. So here in this exercise, we make a circle or color the words that started by letter A. Here is apple, started by letter A, so this is correct. So I color this word. Ball is started by letter A, no, so this can't color. Aeroplane started by letter A, yes, aeroplane. So here I can color aeroplane. I can color cat, no. Why? Because the cat can't started by letter A. So here we have here is capital A and small a for apple. So here we have we circle capital A, and A. So here in this picture, I color the word started by letter A. What is the pictures here started by letter A? Here we have apple and here we have aeroplane. Okay, let's go to another item here. So here I have the supplies that it will be with us when we go to school. So what is this? Can you guess with me in the school? What is the supplies or what's the things that it will be with us when we go to school? Yes, this is called bag. So here we have bag, and the bag started by letter B. You are clever pupils. You are clever kids. Here is what is ruler. So here ruler. Ruler started by letter what? Letter R. You are clever pupils. What is this? This is called scissor. scissor started by letter S. Here is what is this? Sharpener started by letter S. You are clever pupils. What is this? Pencil started by letter what? Started by letter B. Are clever pupils. Here is what is this? This called pencil case started by a letter B also. Here is what is this? This is an eraser started by letter E. So what is this? This is paper clip. So started by letter B. So I would like to repeat again. Bag, 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 scissor, 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 pencil, 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 eraser, eraser, eraser. I would like to repeat with me. Bag, scissor, pencil, eraser. Bag, scissor, pencil, eraser. Ruler, sharpener, pencil case, paper clip. I would like to repeat again. Bag, bag, bag. Scissor, scissor, scissor. Pencil, pencil, pencil. Eraser, eraser, eraser. Ruler, ruler, ruler. Sharpener, sharpener, sharpener. Pencil case, pencil case, pencil case. Paper clip, paper clip, paper clip. Okay, let's go to another item. So here we have the animals and baby animals. Let's learn together animals and baby animals. This is the dog. So the baby dog called what? Bobby. So here we have the dog and the baby dog called Bobby. Cat and the baby cat called Kitten. Baby cat called Kitten. Cow and the baby cow called Calf. Calf. Here is here is the horse. Horse is an animal. The baby animal of horse is fuel. Here is fool. He's called fool. Here is sheep. If that is a big animal. The baby animal of the sheep it to be lamb. Elephant is the big animal. So the baby elephant called calf. So I would like to repeat with me: dog, cat, cow, horse, sheep, elephant. Dog, cat, cow, horse, sheep, elephant. Bobby, kitten, calf, fool, lamb, and calf. Here is Bobby, kitten, calf, fool, lamb, and calf. Okay, let's go to another one. So let's go to today. Also, we learn. I would like to learn with you to teach you the days. Okay, to know with me the days, the name of the day. Let's repeat it. Let's repeat together. Okay, to keep it. Here's Sunday. I would like to repeat with me. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. I would like to repeat with me. Sunday, Sunday, Monday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Okay, this is the last item here in our video. Okay, by this video, I end from our items. I hope to benefit and enjoy from our video today. Thanks a lot. Until you meet again. Goodbye.